Sandpaper, 3 different grits. We'll go through that next. Okay, this is aluminium oxide sandpaper, and you do need to understand a little bit about sandpaper. So I'm going to turn them over. We can see on the back, this one is P180, this one is P120, and this one is P80. So what this means is the lower the number here, the rougher the paper is. Now for woodworking, an 80 grit paper is really quite rough, and it's good for removing really big splinters and harsh edges. So it'll remove stuff quite quickly, but it's not very good as a finish. So you'd want to go over that again with a medium grit, like a P120, this one here, and that would make it really nice, but not perfectly smooth. And then go over it again with P180. And this is a really fine finished paper, and it will give you the really nice finish that you want for painting or adding oil or anything of that nature. So going through the grits one after the other is the secret to a really nice finish. A good way to use sandpaper is to wrap it around a little block like this. And then we can just sand the edge of a block like so. Just move that out of the way. Sand that like that. Do the flat part. Go with the same way as the lines in the wood, the grain of the wood. You can see really quickly we can get this really nicely smoothed. Now I would recommend you go all 3 grits, and then you'll get the absolute perfect finish. So that's it. Work your way through the grits for the perfect finish every time.